Hello Glow fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for blowing up my DMs and comments asking about hair fall. This video is because of you and it's for every single person who's looked at their hairbrush and thought, am I shedding too much? What's even normal anymore? Let's cut through the noise and get into what's going on with your hair. No myths, no marketing fluff. Here's hair basics. What you see, the strand is already dead. The real action, that's happening under your scalp in the follicle. That follicle needs oxygen, blood flow, nutrients, and hormonal balance to stay active and grow new hair. If your follicle's not happy, your hair won't be either, no matter what shampoo you're using. Hair fall isn't random. It's your body raising a flag. Here are some of the biggest culprits: low iron, low vitamin B12 or protein, hormonal imbalances including PCOS, thyroid issues and postpartum shifts, crash dieting or sudden calorie drops, chronic stress, emotional or physical, medications including some acne meds, birth control or antidepressants, scalp inflammation or buildup, tight hairstyles, frequent heat styling or rough towel drying. And if you're losing more than 100 strands a day consistently, that's worth investigating. Myths to unlearn. Let's clear the air on two huge myths that are everywhere. Myth 1. I use an expensive shampoo. Why isn't my hair growing? Shampoos cleanse. They don't control the hair cycles. Unless they contain prescription level ingredients, they won't affect the growth. And myth 2. I oil every week and it still falls. Oil can make your hair feel smoother and shinier, but there's no clinical evidence showing that oiling alone causes regrowth. And in some cases, it can even clog the follicles if not washed out properly. So, what helps? Here's what I've seen work again and again when done consistently. Get your blood work tested. Check your ferritin, vitamin D, thyroid, and vitamin B12 levels. Don't guess your way through your hair loss. 2. Prioritize protein intake. Hair is built from amino acids. If you are under-eating or skipping meals, your hair knows. 3. Calm the chaos. Chronic stress shifts your hair into the shedding phase faster. 4. Treat your scalp like skin. Use gentle exfoliants. Clean regularly. Avoid heavy buildup. 5 is go ingredient first. Focus on actives like minoxidil, caffeine, niacinamide or peptides, depending upon what's right for you. Less is more when the products are right. Hair loss doesn't mean something's broken. It usually means your body is asking for support. Don't panic. Don't throw 10 oils at that problem. Start with the data, clean routines, and consistency. And as always, healthy skin is happy skin. And yes, that includes your scalp. Let me know in the comments if you want to follow up on the growth serums or supplements that are worth your money. And I have got you.